What's up, chicklets? How are you doing? Welcome to the beautiful Pacific Northwest. Check this out. This is like gorgeous up here.
We're home.
We are home. So today, let's talk about the Chicks Life Epic Summer Giveaway.
Dun dun dun!
Hey guys, my name's James.
And I'm Ashley.
Last year we sold our house and we're traveling across the country with our kids.
Hi, my name's Goose, and this is Maverick. Come join us!
So this summer we decided that we really wanted to give back to you guys for being such amazing viewers and friends and just people that we have gotten to know over this past couple years of traveling. So we decided to do like a big giveaway this summer.
And not like one giveaway. That's why it's so...
That's why it's a summer giveaway thing, because we are going to be doing, I think, 2 giveaways every month, plus some special giveaways over on Patreon as well. So here's how it's going to work. Last time we did a giveaway, we were pretty disorganized, not going to lie. So this time we're trying to be a lot more planned and specific about it. So we're using some third-party software called Gleam. I'm sure you have seen it. Tons of YouTube channels or whatever have used Gleam. It's great software that you can get different entry points for doing different things, such as tagging us on Facebook or apparently I got Ashley hair, following us on Instagram and that kind of thing. So I will link that up in the description below. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to link up a specific page on our Chicks Life website, and that'll have all the more details written out and typed out, as well as some of the potential prizes that we're going to be giving away.
But here's the thing, if you want to know what we're giving away and you want to know what prize is going to be available that week, you're going to have to watch the Chicks Life vlog so that you can find out.
Whether you like our videos or not, you're going to have to watch them. So that means that 2 videos a month we'll be talking about what we're giving away, and then 2 other videos that month we'll talk about the winner and who gets the prize. So you got to be sure to watch all of our videos so you can figure out what we're giving away if it's something you're interested in, because these prizes range from, you know, probably $10 all the way up to hundreds of dollars in value. So definitely stuff you should be interested in. I know I want these prizes. I would love to keep them all for myself, but we can't. We got to give away. I hope you guys are excited about this epic summer giveaway. I am so stoked about doing something like this. I've wanted to give back to you guys for a while, and partly we've been doing that through Patreon, but I'm excited to do it for everybody now. So thank you so much for being part of this community, part of our family, our friends.
And patrons, we have not forgotten about you. You guys will be having some of your own special giveaways.
So I am sorry if you guys were expecting a big adventure vlog today. I'll go ahead and link one up right there, actually from years ago that I just recently watched. If you guys want to check that out for some adventuring, you can go look at that. But as always, guys, until next time, remember, stay positive, get out there. Life is an adventure.
So make some memories.